Okay, I've got my emulated phone here, and I've also got logcat open over here. I'm going to go ahead and open up my activity. And I can immediately see that there's actually 3 callbacks that are called here. OnCreate, OnStart, and OnResume. Okay, so let's play the game a bit. I'm going to make some cupcakes and some donuts. And you can see that there's no other callbacks that are being called. So then I'm going to go ahead and press the back button. When I do this, I see that onPause, onStop, and onDestroy are called in that order. OnDestroy means that the activity was fully shut down and can be garbage collected. Garbage collection is a technical term that refers to the automatic cleanup of objects that you're no longer going to use. So after OnDestroy is called here for an activity, the operating system knows that the resources associated with that activity are discardable, and it will go ahead and start cleaning up that memory. And if I go ahead and I open up the activity again, I see I have a fresh new activity with none of my previous game stats. The destruction of the activity happens if I press back here to navigate out. But you could also cause this behavior by manually calling the activity's finish method. Okay, so if I start filling in the diagram, this is what we've seen so far. And you're actually seeing here about 80% of the activity lifecycle callbacks. It shows traveling between all the states for when the activity gets created for the first time, and all of the lifecycle states that the activity goes through when it gets completely shut down and destroyed. To understand the difference between callbacks and states, I want you to try something new. So go ahead and open up the activity again, and make a few pastries, but instead of hitting the back button, go back to the launcher's home screen, and then reopen the activity from this recent screen. Okay, give that a try and tell me what callbacks you see.